In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello notifications and the Watch feature. Whether you're new to Trello or have been using it for a while, managing notifications can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure that you never miss an important update. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Trello in your web browser or via the mobile app. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and select your preferred method to sign in. You can choose to log in with your Google account, your email and password, or any other available option that suits your security preferences. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your photo or your initials. This is your profile icon. Click on it, which will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, locate the Settings option and give it a click. This action takes you to a page containing your account settings. Within the account settings, you'll find the section to manage your email and desktop notifications. Here, Trello provides you with the flexibility to select how often you want to receive notifications and through which means, whether on your desktop, via email, or both. Consider how promptly you need to know about activities before setting your preferences, as this will help in maintaining a balance that prevents you from becoming overwhelmed with updates. Continuing in the same section, scroll down to determine the specific events you would like to be notified about. Trello offers the option to receive notifications for various activities such as new comments on cards, updates to a task, or reminders for upcoming due dates. Customizing this aspect allows you to tailor notifications to fit your unique workflow. You might find that you only need alerts for comments and due dates, or that you prefer to be notified about every single change. This is entirely up to you. Next, let's talk about managing notifications on boards, lists, and cards specifically. If you're working on a particular project or card and want to be kept in the loop about all updates without fail, you can make use of the Watch feature. Simply navigate to the board, list, or card of interest. At the top right corner, you'll notice an ellipsis or 3 dots icon. Click on it, scroll down through the menu, and click on Watch. This will subscribe you to all notifications related to that specific board, list, or card. Conversely, if you decide that these alerts are no longer needed, you can click on Unwatch to stop receiving updates. And there you have it. These steps will help you optimize your use of Trello notifications and Watch features, keeping you informed and making sure you stay on top of your tasks and responsibilities. Thank you for watching, and remember to adjust your settings until they work perfectly for you.